I want a blumpkin. I want a motherfucking blumpkin. I need a blumpkin. Just give me a blumpkin. I want a blumpkin.
In 3, 2, 1, go! Armbands, you guys need 2 guys in the hill. 2 guys in the hill. Move in, guys. Come on, armbands. Make a push. You guys got the other team by at least 10 players. At least. Let her hit. Let them out. When you're hit, put your gun in your hand up. Plumpkins, you guys have 50 seconds in. Break it down, that guy X. That's it. That's it. He tried to slide, but it didn't work out too well. Plumpkins, you guys have 1 minute, 23 seconds in. Third, come here. Everybody please listen to third. Come on, armbands, make a push. The hill is empty. The hill is empty. Make a push on that hill. That's it. Get another guy in there. Come on, get another guy in there. Another guy. Thank you. There you go. That's it. Take that hill. Gonna break it for my manly voice. My manly. Say it with chest. Alright, test the volume here. Let's go, our bands. Hold that. All right, armbands, you guys have it for 50 seconds so far. Come on, armbands, hold it. Okay. Guys, let the dead players out. Good call, player. Good call. Good shot, Wyzak. I saw that. Good shot. All right, armbands, you guys have 1 minute 30 seconds in. Got that player coming out. Let's get that player out, guys. Now let that player coming out. Checking my black eye. Armbands, you guys got 2 minutes in now. Hold that hill, guys. That's it. That's it. Oh, I got my goggles on. All right, Booker's making a push here. They have control again. All right, got that player coming out. Come on, armbands, take that hill back. Take that hill. There you go, that player coming out. That player coming out. Armbands, take that hill. It's empty. Okay. Armbands, their time is still counting. Get 2 guys in there, guys. Come on. He's in. Good call, player. Good call.
Sparky, you think you're cool? Hell no.
Sparky, you're not cool.
How do you die?
Ace, back out of there. Ace, back out of there.
Dude, why is Nate cracking the ball?
Yo, Nate, why you cracking your ball?
Nate, do you have an inch? All right, Bumpy's out for 4 minutes now. Armbands, come on, take that hill back. Good call, player. Good call, evac. The trouser snake. They took it. They had it for you. Come on, armbands, take that hill back. Good call, Sparky, good call. Armbands, come on, make a push. Move in as a team, That's it. Oh, good call, player, good call. Good call, player. This guy in the gray sweatshirt over here is the only one making a run for the hill. He's the only one making a run for that hill on the armband team. That's it, guys. Move in on that. That's it. Double out. Both of you guys are out. Good move, guys. That's it. You guys got 30 seconds. Take it. Thank you. You guys are getting peppered. Pull your heads, guys. That's it. Double out. That's a double out right there. Double out. Okay, armbands have control of it. The armbands have control. Armbands, you guys have 3 minutes in the hill now. 3 minutes. Hold that hill. Remember, guys, it's a touch and go to respawn. Touch and go. All you gotta do is go back, touch and respawn, you're back in the game. That guy X looks incredibly sexy with that pumpkin hanging off his arm and his pistol. That's awesome. I want one hanging out. That's it, that's it. Break it down, break it down. Ride the horse, ride the horse. What? Armbands, you guys have 3 minutes, 45 seconds on the hill. Do not blind fire, do not blind fire. Guys, respect the 10-foot rule. You guys are both within 10 feet of each other. You both are out. Got that players coming out. Let them out, let them out. Good call, player, good call. Armbands, you guys have 4 minutes, 30 seconds on the hill now. You guys are only a minute apart on the times now. Hold that hill. Good call, that guy. Guys, move in. Look at all those guys. Move in on my hill. Defend it. You guys have control of it. That player coming out. Good call, good call. I feel like we should be rapping right now. Yeah, where's my posse at? Guys, armbands, you guys have 1 minute to hold it. You guys only got to hold it for 1 more minute. That's it, guys. Hold that hill. Watkins, come on. Make a push on that hill. Let's go. Make a push now. Armbands, hold that hill. Push him back. 20 seconds. That's it, Armbands. Come on. Push on him. That's it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over. Cease fire. Cease fire. Armbands won. Armbands won. Cease fire. Mags out. Safety's on. Mags out. Safety's on. That's all right. I got mine. Guys, remember, mags out. Safety's on. Barrel covers on. Mags out, safety's on, barrel covers on. That should be a song for every airsoft field.
So what? It's not gonna make me do it. That's what she said. What's the address here? Yeah. What? Yeah, I did that. 13 or 7?
Ain't nobody talking when I'm talking, fellas, so shut the fuck up.